What is up, Mac and Nuts? Gunpla here. And I'm gonna bring you a little late night video of this guy, my Barbatos Lupus. I've been working on him for about a week and a half, and he's almost finished. I've thoroughly painted him, weathered him, and pretty happy with the result. I tried to give him a more Warhammer vibe than a Gundam vibe because that's what I know when it comes to painting. He's covered in the red dust of Mars. Ready to kick some ass. Pretty excited about what I did here. I like it. He doesn't stand up on his own very well in this pose though. But I plan on building a diorama for him. So that'll make him stand a lot better. But as you can see, oh no, it's all weird. Let's fix that. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna build a diorama for him. That seam line is pretty ugh. But I don't have the tools to fix it, make it look better, so that's just how it's gonna have to be, unfortunately. But as you can see, he's all painted up and looking real cool. Really happy with the result. Not so much this brown on the leg. I should have made it look like mud. But it didn't turn out how I expected. So I'm probably going to fix that. Probably going to fix the top of his head here too, make it look whiter. Kind of went a little overboard in the weathering there. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Besides the leg and the helmet, I'm probably going to leave them alone. But yeah, just wanted to keep you updated with a little video. I know I haven't been uploading as frequently as I want to because of this project, but I'm almost done. I'm just going to fix these few problems and then build a diorama for him. And that'll be it. He'll be good to go. I'll make a video when he's finished. But until next time, guys, Gunpla out.